Today, let us find the number of digits of an integer in its base b representation. Let n be a positive integer with k digits in base b. But we know that b raised to k minus 1, b raised to k minus 1 can be expressed as the number 1 0 etc 0 0 0 in base b. So this is in fact the least integer with k digits in base b. Similarly, we can see that b raised to k can be expressed as 1 0 0 etc 0 0 0, which is the least k plus 1 digit integer in base b. Hence, since n is k digit integer, we can write b raised to k minus 1 will be less than or equal to n, since n has k digits and b raised to k minus 1 is the least k digit integer. So this inequality will definitely be true. And since n is a k digit integer and b raised to k is the least k plus 1 digit integer, n will be strictly less than b raised to k. Now, if we take logarithm to the base b on this inequality, we get k minus 1 less than or equal to log of n to the base b less than k. Since k minus 1 and k are consecutive integers, we can say that the greatest integer function of log n to the base b, that is the floor value of log n to the base b, will be equal to k minus 1. Since we know that greatest integer function gives the largest integer which is less than or equal to the quantity given in the bracket. Since we know that greatest integer function gives the largest integer which is less than or equal to the quantity enclosed within square brackets. If we take t equal to log n to the base b, then we can write n is equal to b raised to t. Now let us consider the quantity log n, that is the natural log of n. That means the base is e, and if we take this as r, then we have n is equal to e raised to r. Similarly, if we let log b or the natural log of b as s, then we have b is equal to e raised to s. Combining these relations, we can see that n is equal to b raised to t from this relation, and that is equal to, since b is equal to e raised to s, we can write this as e raised to s whole raised to t, which is equal to e raised to st, and we have already expressed n as e raised to r. So this is equal to e raised to r as well. We get st is equal to r, or t is equal to r by s. This relation implies that k minus 1 is equal to floor value of log n by log b, and therefore k is equal to floor of log n by log b plus 1, which gives this relation gives the number of digits of n in base b representation.